Hey, travelers! Have you ever felt lost at the airport, unsure how to ask for help or struggled to order food in English?
If yes, don't worry. Today we'll make sure that never happens again. You'll learn real English phrases you can use confidently during your next trip.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to TalkEasy English. I'm Sarah.
And I'm David. If you love learning English in a fun, simple, and practical way, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe before we start.
Today we're talking about English for travel, the must-know phrases that help you speak confidently anywhere in the world. So, David, tell us why English is so important for travelers.
You know, Sarah, travelers often don't realize how powerful a few English words can be.
Exactly. Whether you're in an airport, hotel, or local cafe, English is often the language that connects people from different countries.
Even if English isn't perfect, a few simple phrases can save time and avoid confusion.
And it makes the journey smoother, from checking in at the airport to exploring a new city.
Plus, it helps you make friends. Locals appreciate when travelers try to speak their language, especially English.
Let's start with some basic travel vocabulary you'll hear everywhere.
At the airport, you'll need words like ticket, passport, boarding pass, gate, luggage, and baggage claim.
In hotels, you'll hear reservation, check-in, room, keycard, and Wi-Fi.
And for directions, remember bus, street, taxi, map, train station.
Try making short sentences like, "Where is the taxi stand?" or "I need my boarding pass." Simple and useful.
Now let's see how these common travel words work in real life.
At the airport, you can say, "Where is the check-in counter?" or "Can I have a window seat, please?"
In a hotel, I have a reservation under David Miller, or could you show me my room, please?
At a restaurant, "Can I have the menu, please?" or "I'd like a cup of tea."
And when asking directions, you can add, "Excuse me, where is the nearest bus stop?"
David, now let's show our viewers how simple it sounds through a mini role play. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, Sarah. Let's begin. Can I have a sandwich, please?
Of course! Would you like something to drink?
Yes, a coffee, please. See? That's how easy daily English.
Listeners, do remember, travel isn't always perfect, so emergency phrases are a must. Do you agree with me, David?
Right. For instance, if your bag is lost, you can say, "Excuse me, I can't find my luggage. Can you help me?"
If you're sick, you can say, "I need a doctor." Where is the nearest hospital?
And if your wallet is missing, "Can you help me, please? I lost my wallet."
Always speak slowly and clearly. People will try to help, even if your English isn't perfect.
Now, one of most important thing while traveling is always talk to locals confidently. I believe meeting locals is the best part of traveling, but many beginners feel shy. So here are some easy tips for you all.
Tip 1. Don't worry about mistakes. People appreciate effort.
Tip 2. Use short, clear sentences. Like, "Can you help me?" or "Where is the cafe?"
Tip 3. Listen carefully. Try to copy pronunciation or expressions from locals. It improves your accent naturally.
Tip 4. Smile. A friendly tone makes communication easy.
Tip 5. Keep practicing. Talk to hotel staff, drivers, and shopkeepers. The more you speak, the more confident you become.
Another important thing while traveling is you must know basic English for transportation.
Yes. Travel means lots of moving around, so let's learn phrases for buses, trains, and taxis.
Ask, "Where's the bus stop?" or "I need a taxi to the airport."
Train travel? Say, what time does the train leave? Or which platform is for London?
Buying tickets? One ticket to the city center, please. Or, how much is the fare?
And remember, speak slowly, repeat the destination name, or show a map if needed. Now let's learn some basic English for hotels and stays. That will boost your confidence.
Exactly. Hotels can be tricky if you don't know the right words, but English makes it simple.
When checking in, you can say, "Hello, I have a reservation under Sarah Parker."
Need help? You can say, could you show me my room? Or can I have extra towels, please?
Wi-Fi and breakfast questions are common too, like, "What time is breakfast?" or "Is Wi-Fi free?"
And when leaving, you'd say, I'd like to check out, please. Or can I pay by card?
Politeness and a smile always help you get better service.
Now here are some exciting English phrases for restaurants and food too.
Food, my favorite part of any trip.
Same here. Let's talk about restaurant English.
Start with "A table for two, please," or "Can I see the menu?"
When ordering, I'd like a sandwich, please. Or can I have some water?
If you have allergies, "I'm allergic to nuts," or "Is this vegetarian?"
When done, can I have the bill, please? Or do you take credit cards?
Practice saying these aloud, even in front of a mirror. It helps you sound natural.
Now shopping and sightseeing, where English really makes travel fun.
At museums, you can say, "How much is the ticket?" or "What time does it open?"
While shopping, you can say, how much does this cost? Or can I try this on?
You can also ask, "Do you have this in another color?" or "Can I pay by card?"
If you forget a word, point or show a picture. It always works.
So, what did we cover today? Let's quickly recap for better understanding.
A lot. From airports to hotels, restaurants, emergencies, and even shopping, all the real-life English you need to travel easily.
Remember, even small steps matter. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start speaking.
And keep practicing daily. You'll be amazed how quickly your confidence grows.
Every trip is a chance to improve your English, meet people, and explore with confidence.
That's it for today's episode of TalkEasy English.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who love traveling.
Tell us in the comments, which travel phrase will you practice first?
Keep practicing, stay curious, and make English your travel partner.
See you in the next video. Until then, safe travels and happy learning. Bye.